China's space program took a major stride recently as two of its satellites seemingly docked together in what could have been the country's first high-altitude attempt at refueling a satellite while in orbit. The Shijian-21 and Shijian-25 satellites appeared to dock with one another more than 20,000 miles above the planet in geosynchronous orbit, in which a satellite's orbital period matches the pace of the Earth's rotation. Civilian satellite trackers have also confirmed the Shijian-21 and Shijian-25 moving closer together before becoming indistinguishable from one another. These two satellites docking in geosynchronous orbit could indicate that China has the potential to disable another country's satellite in space. However, the US Space Force has similarly been interested in orbital refueling, as military satellites often have limited fuel supplies. The military branch is slated to perform its first ever refueling of a US military asset in orbit as early as next summer. American officials may have taken note of the apparent docking by China in the recent past, as two of the Space Force's Inspector satellites appeared to move closer to Shijian-21 and Shijian-25 following the maneuver. Geosynchronous orbit, which is situated at an altitude of around 22,236 miles, is popular among military and commercial satellites as it means they have a fixed view of the planet and can provide military forces with information like early warnings of missile attacks. In April 2025, Space Force General Chance Saltzman described China's explosive advances in space as, well, mind-boggling, and warned the United States is on a path to losing its dominance in orbit. Testifying before the bipartisan United States-China Commission, Saltzman said China is heavily investing in both ground-based and space-based weapons designed to disable enemy satellites, including kinetic strikes, radio frequency jamming, and directed energy weapons. China has also increased its military spending by 7% this year, stockpiling anti-satellite missiles and claiming to possess directed energy weapons that use concentrated energy beams to jam satellite signals. The United States has valid reasons to be concerned about China's recent breakthrough in refueling a satellite in space, 22,000 miles away from Earth. This achievement demonstrates China's significant advancements in space technology, particularly in areas like satellite maintenance and sustainability. China's ability to refuel satellites in orbit could potentially disrupt the balance of power in space. The US has long relied on its superiority in space to maintain its military and economic advantages. However, China's rapid progress in space technology is challenging this status quo. Moreover, China's advancements in space have significant implications for national security. The ability to refuel and maintain satellites in orbit could enable China to sustain a presence in space, potentially allowing it to dominate critical orbits and deny access to other nations. The US is also concerned about China's growing capabilities in space because of the potential for these technologies to be used for military purposes. China's development of anti-satellite missiles and other counter-space capabilities poses a significant threat to US satellites and space-based assets. In addition, China's achievements in space are not limited to military applications. The country's progress in space technology has significant implications for its economic and scientific development. China's ability to launch and maintain satellites in orbit could enable it to expand its presence in the global space industry, potentially challenging US dominance in this area. Overall, the United States has valid reasons to be concerned about China's recent breakthrough in refueling a satellite in space. The US administration, having long seen China as a rival in space security, would inevitably deploy more resources and funding to its military space program, or risk China's dominance in space development well ahead of the US Space Force, Europe, and Russia. China's advancements in space technology have significant implications for national security, economic development, and the balance of power in space.